can we export points so that we can later import them in QGIS?
Yes, you can, of course.
Show me. Here we are with the first Q&A with XRay.
Yay!
Ray knows everything about Apglos Survey Wizard, GPS survey, and we will answer your questions. Right?
Wow, what a trust.
The first question is of Kebion Zoo, if I pronounce it well.
Yeah.
He asked where I can find a good video tutorial of Apglos Survey Wizard.
Oh, wow. That's actually a very easy question. Okay, I will press the I. Once you press the I, you can find 5 items there. The first one is tutorial. Once you press tutorial, it automatically goes to the YouTube channel. It comes, yeah! Yeah, skip ad. Okay.
Hey! There's a tutorial.
There's the tutorial. It will answer the question. Right, next one.
Next one. This is a very interesting question of Maarten.
Maarten, yeah.
And he asked, can we export points so that we can later import them in QGIS?
Yes, you can, of course.
Show me.
Okay, now we have a point. So, we go to the first icon in top from the 6 icons that will be on the top right screen. First one, it looks like a folder. Then we select Save. Once we have selected Save, we make up a new map, which I already did. It's called ASW, Survey Wizard. Then I will make up a name and I will say Test. I say yes. And then I go to the screen below. A pull down menu comes down and it says AGL, AGP, ALC, etc. And then I select AGP. Once I've selected AGP, I press the OK button. It has been saved. Now I'm going to go to Files. I'm going to select the internal storage and I found Test. I select Test.
And there are your files.
And there are my files.
Like a shape file.
A shape file.
And that you can import in
QGIS. Yay!
Very well explained, very well.
Very well, yeah, I know.
But we're not done yet.
Oh.
We have more questions.
More questions? Well, next one please.
This question is of Jason.
Jason, so Jason, what are you asking us?
Is it possible to hear a sound when staking so that I know when I'm at my coordinates?
Yeah, you just have to put up the volume button, because automatically once you have found the point which you want to stake out, it says bleep bleep, bleep bleep, or at least the noise that comes from your phone or your tablet.
When it will say bleep bleep?
When you're on top of it. Exactly.
With the margin of?
With the margin of 1 centimeter.
Then there is another very interesting question.
Oh.
And the question is of Arn, how to extend your license of Apglos Survey Wizard?
Oh, yeah. Well, it's not that difficult. You need to buy a license.
How you can buy your license?
Then you go to the web shop, press Chrome in my case, and my phone is ringing, sorry for that.
More questions.
Go to apglos.eu, then you select the shop. The shop has been selected. There you go to the Apglos Survey Wizard icon, select that one, and then you select the icon. Then you go to choose an option, select that, and then you can select 7 days, 30 days, etc. or coins. So let's select 365 days, add to chart, pay, and then you will get a coupon.
And what you can do with that coupon?
Go back to the software, go to the right corner, there you see this guy, select that. Then you can select coins and you can enter the coupon. Finished, and you can start using the Apglos Survey Wizard.
Another question of app. There are some locations where I don't have a cellular service.
Yeah.
How can I run Apglos in those areas?
Yes, you can.
How?
So, what you actually do, go back to what he calls the puppet, select the puppet and select coins, and there you find this, like this globe with an X on it, not X-ray, but an X on it, and it says yes or no. And once you say yes, then you click on that, and then you can work offline.
What is a requirement to use this function?
That you need a time license.
Of course, we had lots, no, we didn't have lots, but we had some questions about Apglos Survey Wizard, but now there is one question about GPS coordinates. Are you prepared?
I'm not prepared. Can I ask you that question?
Yeah, you can try if you want.
I will. Okay, Hanno. This question has been asked by Jeff Starr.
Nice name.
Yeah. Jeff Starr.
Nice name.
Yeah, true. He asked us how you can convert a GPS coordinate from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds.
To do this and to give the correct answer,
Yes.
please write one coordinate on this whiteboard. So this number 51, we can go straight down, and those are the decimal degrees. So what we have left then is 0.146282. What we have to do then is to multiply it by 60, which gives us 8.77692. Then we can move this number 8 down here. Then we have left 0.77692. These are the minutes, the 80 are the minutes. And then we can again multiply that by 60. And that will give us 46.6152. And we can move this complete number down, and we put it here for 6.6152 seconds. That's how you do it. So these were the questions of this time of the Q&A with X-ray. It was most of Apglos Survey Wizard, but you can do much more with GPS surveying, like for example, be a lazy land surveyor. Let's check this video next to us and you will know how.